It is still very early in what's being described as a soft rollout for the vaccine booster shots, which cleared a final hurdle with the CDC. But so far, it's been more like a slow rollout with a very sparse turnout today in the South Bay. KRON 4's Rob Flatterbow has an update from Morgan Hill.
Vaccine is plentiful and appointments easy to get, but despite that, people seeking a COVID-19 booster shot were few and far between Friday here at DePaul Health Center in Morgan Hill. It appears that a cumbersome, multifaceted approval process has resulted in some confusion over eligibility.
Well, there was a lot of mixed messaging yesterday in the media until finally late last night the CDC released their final recommendations for booster shots. And so far today, we are seeing a small number of people starting to come in for their booster shots, but I think there's ongoing confusion among the public, still waiting for clarification around who is now eligible.
By mid-afternoon, the clinic staff was biding their time as only a handful of people had received the booster shot. A third dose of the Pfizer vaccine is now recommended 6 months after the second dose for adults age 65 and older, people in institutions and long-term care facilities, as well as those with underlying health problems.
The most compelling data for boosters is in the elderly age group, as well as older individuals who have underlying medical conditions. So for that population, we concur with the CDC's recommendation that they really should get a booster.
The rollout was equally slow at the county's newest vaccination site in San Martin and clinics in San Jose and Mountain View. Demand is expected to increase as the public better understands eligibility and availability. Reaching those still unvaccinated remains the top priority, but approval of the booster shots is a milestone, says Dr. Tong.
I think the approval of the boosters just provides additional data review and reassurance of the safety of the vaccines. And those who are still considering getting that first and second dose should be even further reassured by this approval of the safety of the vaccines.
Aside from the confusion over exactly who is eligible for what and when, another reason for the slow turnout so far is the fact that for a lot of people who might otherwise be eligible, it simply hasn't been 6 months since they got their last shot. That is expected to change in a big way by about mid-November. In Morgan Hill, Rob Flatterbow, KRON 4 News.